Right, we're back on Paul's fastback. Hello Paul, if you're watching. Old battery, so we're going to change that. Some of the earth leads and stuff, these I don't particularly like very well anyway. I think I'll probably just take that off and put a brand new earth lead and stuff on there because it tends to work better with a starter motor and a solenoid. We'll clean the points up, check the carbs and bits and pieces and see if it will run. See that in there, the points are in there, are pretty furry. Right, see the edges of the points there are pretty furry. A bit of moisture going under the cap. Right, let me see that fuel looks a bit drab, so disconnect the pipe at the back, drain the tank, clean this fuel pump off, change the points. Get the plugs out, then we'll have a look at the carbs. Right, quick update. Right, put some new points in there. The old ones, just get in there. Probably won't focus very well, but yeah, they're furry and very impitted. Right, put the camera down the board. This is to see the problem we have trying to start another thing. You see that shiny line on the right? That is actually one of the valves. That's just going in the spark plug hole. That's the valve that's open, and you see there's little drops of dirt on there and stuff from where one of them's open. That's the kind of thing that can sort of just hold it up sometimes and stop it from starting due to lack of compression because the valve can't completely shut. But we'll see. Sometimes starting it up, or not starting out, but cranking it over for a while, it gets rid of that if it's just, you know, if it is just dust. Depends how long stuff's been hanging around. That's the number one. You can see a wear line on the outside. Let's see the other ones. That's number 3. Bit dirty on the top. That's number 4. Right, you see that's the side of the. Can't put it in very well. Yeah. Not the ideal thing. We'll turn it around slightly. Right, this is in number 1. Let me put the piston down slightly. See, there's a few like score marks in the side, so no, right. Well, we'll try it. We'll put some water in it and petrol. I haven't done anything to the carbs, so we'll try it, see what they're like. All right, plugs look okay. Right, so we have a spark. We'll put some fuel in.
Ready?
Right, yeah. Right, okay, we're just going to put some fuel in. These tend to want to weep out the bottom. And the float valves tend to stick, but you never know. We might get away with it. Nothing at all might happen. Who knows? Thing is, the engine and box are all coming out anyway for other reasons, to paint the engine bay. So
Retaining the level.
Right, got the level there. Okay, so we connect our lead up. Chad's on choke control. We'll turn it over. It's slowing down a bit. We did check the oil pressure earlier on. Yeah, the oil pressure's right up. Lovely job. Looks happier. See the water coming out of the back. The core plug is gone on the back, which is something. Core plug on the back of the engine was split. Now I thought that when I picked it up. Anyway, right, we just give it a second quick run while it's still got the water in it. Give it a little. Check it over gently, I'll just film the exhaust. Sounds quite happy. I expect there will be moisture in the exhaust. You can see where it's exhaust is blown. But good oil pressure. Yeah, seems nice.
Right, this wheel starts spinning. So I've got to go around the other side. This one starts spinning. Right. Spinning fast.
Yeah, there we go, draining out the bottom.